If you're happy and you know, you say amen. If you're happy and you know, you say amen. Uy, 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 careful. Uy. Uy, that's too close. Ano ba yan, Baby Ruth? Clap, clap. Oh, Baby Carlo is happy. You're happy?
Good.
It's good? What good?
Okay.
Ah, he's okay.
Yes.
He's happy. Oh, you sing him a song.
Oh,
don't do that. Ah, don't do that to his hand. Don't do that to his hand. That's not nice. Oh, you don't touch his hand like that. You don't hold his hand like that. Oh, you use your own hand. Don't use Baby Carlo's hand. Oh, 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 oh. What? Nag-play mo pa? What's that? And you go. Oh, oh. Don't touch his face ba? Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Careful lang. Be gentle, anak. There you go.